Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is identity operators with immutable types. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos, you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. This is the 7th topic in Python operators. Identity operators is and is not are used to check if the operands are referencing the same object. Identity operators are used to compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually referencing the same object with the same memory location. X is Y will return true if both variables are referencing the same object. X is not Y will return true if both variables are not referencing the same object. We can classify working with identity operators into two parts: identity operators with immutable data types and identity operators with mutable data types. I am going to cover the second topic in next video. Let's jump into identity operator with immutable data type first. Before that, let's understand how the variables and values are organized internally in computer memory. Consider this as a computer memory. We will have memory locations to store values, and these memory locations are identified by its address. Assume that we have two variables, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 20. Both are immutable types. The values are stored in a specific address in memory. Consider 10 is stored in the address 12564 and 20 is stored in the address 12552. And the variable x refers to the address of 10 and y refers to the address of 20. So when we use comparison operator x double is equal to y, we get the result as false because values of both x and y are different. And when we use the identity operator x is y, we get the result as false because the memory address of both x and y are different. So when we use the command x is not y, we get the output as true because it is opposite of x is y. Now let's change the value of x is equal to 20. So value of x and y are same. In Python, when both values are same, then they refers to the same memory address. Now the value 10 stored in the memory location 12564 is not referenced by any variable, so it becomes orphan. This orphan value will be cleaned up by the Python garbage collector. So now when we use comparison operator x double is equal to y, the output is true, and identity operator x is y, the output is true because values of both x and y are same and the memory address of both x and y are also same. Open Python interactive shell. Let's define x is equal to 10. To know the memory address of x, we can use a built-in function called id. So when we use id of x, it shows the memory address of x. Let's define y is equal to 20. So it shows the memory address of y using id of y. You can observe that the memory address of x and y are different. Let's use comparison operator x double is equal to y. The output is false because both x and y values are different. Let's use the identity operator x is y. The output is false because the address of x and y are different. And x is not y will be true. Now let's change the value of x is equal to 20. Let's verify the address of x. Let's verify the address of y. You can see that the address of x and y are same. In fact, x points to the address of y. So when I use comparison operator x double is equal to y, the output is true. And when I use identity operator x is y, the output is true because the address of x and y are same. And x is not y is false. This behavior is not same for mutable type. I am going to explain this in next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.